Good morning children. The last class we studied the numbers 1 to 100 and its number names. Today we are going to start the new chapter learning more about numbers. And our today's topic is expanded form and abacus. Okay children. Now look at the board. Write the expanded form. Children, what is expanded form? We already studied in the last chapter. We write the expanded forms also there. Look at the first number. Read this number 43. The number is 43. And in 43, how many tens and how many ones are there? There are 4 tens and 3 ones, is it? So that numbers we have to write in the given boxes. We have to write 4 tens and 3 ones. This way, if we write the tens and ones, this is called the expanded form. Okay children. So look at the next question. What is this number? 20. In 20, how many tens and ones are there? 2 tens and how many ones? Is there any ones over here? No, 0 ones, is it? So we have to write 2 tens and 0 ones. Okay. Now look at the next number. What is this number? 37. How many tens and how many ones are there? Look at the tens place. 3 tens. And how many ones are there? 7 ones. Is it clear? Now look at the next question. What is the number? 96. How many tens and how many ones are there? There are 9 tens. Look at the tens place. 9 tens are here. And how many ones are here? 6 ones. Okay. Now look at the next question. What is this number? 8. Only 8. It's a single digit number. Only ones place is here. Is there any number at tens place? No, there is no number at tens place. So we have to write 0 tens and ones place. What is the number? 8. So 8 ones. Clear children? So this is called expanded form. The number is given there. We have to write how many tens and how many ones are there in the given boxes. Okay. Now look at the next exercise. Here write the numeral. Okay. So here the expanded form is given here. We have to write the numeral. Numeral means the number. We have to write the number over here. Look at the first question. 5 tens and 7 ones. So what is the number? How many tens are there? 5 tens. And how many ones are there? 7 ones. So what is the number? 57. Now look at the second question. 3 tens and 4 ones. How many tens? 3 tens. So at tens place we will write 3. And how many ones? 4 ones. So ones place we will write 4. So what is the number children? 34. Look at the next question. 2 tens and 9 ones. How many tens? 2 tens. So tens place we will write 2. And how many ones? 9 ones. So ones place we will write 9. What is the number? 29. Look at the next question. 6 tens and 0 ones. How many tens? 6 tens. So tens place we will write 6. And how many ones? Is there any ones? 0 ones. So we will write 0 at the ones place. So what is the number? 60. 60. Now look at the last question. 4 tens and 1 1. How many tens are there? 4 tens. So at tens place we will write 4. And how many ones? Only 1 1. So on ones place we will write 1. So what is the number? 41. Clear? So here the expanded form is given. We have to write the numeral. That means we have to write the numbers. Okay. Now, we are going to study about the abacus. So children, did you heard the word abacus? What is an abacus? An abacus is used for counting numbers. For representing the numbers, for counting the numbers, we are using abacus. Okay, now children, look at the picture. This is an abacus, and here this line is called spike or rod. These lines are called spikes or rod, and these are the beads on abacus. Okay children, and here we know the place values. This is the ones place and this is the tens place. Okay, and on ones place, on this road, how many beads are here? Only one bead, is it? So the ones place, each bead shows how many ones are there. Each bead shows the ones number, and here on tens place, each bead shows the number of tens. Okay children, so let's find out what is this number. Children, look, on ones place only one bead is there, is it? So we can write as 1 on ones place, and on tens place how many beads are here? 1, 2, 3 beads are there on tens place. So what is this number children? 31. 3 tens and 1 1. Okay, so this is called the abacus. It is used for counting the numbers, and there are two place values here, ones place, tens place. This is called, these lines are called spikes or rods, and these are the beads. Okay, is it clear? Now we will do some questions using this abacus. Look children, write the numbers shown on abacus. Some abacus are given here. The rods are there, beads are there. We have to count the beads and write what is the number. Okay, so beads and rods are given here. We have to count the beads and write the number according to the beads. Okay, so children, how we will mark? I told you which is the ones place. This is the ones place and this is the tens place. Now look children, how many beads are there on ones place? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. 3 beads are there on ones place. So we will write on ones place 3. Now look at the tens place. How many beads are there on tens place? 1, 2. That means 2 tens are there. So we will write 2 at the tens place. So what is the number? 23. So this abacus shows the number 23. Clear? Now look at the next question. Children, we will mark the place values. This is the ones place and this is the tens place. Okay, now let's count how many beads are there on ones place. How many beads are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 beads are there on ones place. So at ones place we will write 5. Now look children, is there any bead on tens place? No, there is no beads are there on tens place. So what we will do? We have to write 0, 0 beads. So children, what is this number? 5. This is number 5. Okay. Now look at the next question. We will mark the place values. Ones place, tens place. Now look at the ones place. Which all how many beads are given here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 beads are there on ones place. So we have to write 6 on ones place. Now look, how many beads are there on tens place? 1, 2, 3, 4. So write 4 at tens place. So what is the number? 46. Is it clear? Easy question, student. We have to count the beads on each place and write the numbers according to their place. So we will get the correct numbers. Okay. Now let's do some more questions. Here children, read the question. Draw beads on the abacus for the numbers given. Here the number is given in the question. We have to draw the beads. So look at the place, each place which numbers are given here. According to that we have to draw the beads. Let's do the question. First one. What is the number given here? 32. The first number is 32. And in 32 children, how many ones are there? 2 ones are there. So we have to draw 2 beads on ones place. I am going to draw 1, 2. Okay children, 2 beads on ones place. Now look how many, which number is given on tens place? 3 tens. Okay, so we have to draw 3 beads on tens place. 1, 2, 3. This is the number 32. We show it on a abacus. Okay. Now look at the next question. What is the number given here? 50. What is the number? 50. In 50, how many ones and tens are there, children? What is the number on ones place? 0. Is it? And what is the number on tens place? 5. That means here 5 tens and 0 ones. So, do you want to draw any beads on ones place? No, because ones place the number is 0. So, no need to draw any beads on ones place. And what about tens? How many tens are here? 5 tens are here. So, we have to draw 5 beads on tens place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay children. So, 5 beads on tens place and 0 beads on ones place because our number is 50. Okay. Now, look at the last and final question. What is the number given here? 14. How many tens and ones are there in 14? 1 tens and 4 ones. So, we have to draw how many beads on ones place? 4 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, how many tens are here? Look at the tens place. Only 1 ten. So, we have to draw only 1 bead on tens place. Got it? So, this way we have to draw the beads. Read the numeral, read the number, and according to the place value, how many tens and how many ones are there. So, how many ones are there? That much beads we will draw on the ones place. And what is the number given on tens place? That much beads we will draw on the tens place. Okay children. So, practice this type of questions in your rough book first, then only write your worksheet. While drawing the worksheet, while drawing the beads on your worksheet also, you have to draw neatly the beads. Okay. All beads are of the equal size. Okay. So, write neatly, study this type of questions well. Okay children, that's all for today. We'll see in the next class. Thank you.